Hello students, today I will start chapter number 10, exercise number 10.1 of your main course book. Let's see the question number 1. For each of the given solid, the two views are given. Match for each solid the corresponding top and front views. Let's see the A part of this question. Students, you have to do the matching in this question. A part is the bottle's figure. This is the object. Let's see, when we see this bottle from the top view, we can see only this thing. That means this part will be right, because when we see this bottle from the top view, we can see only this part. And when we see this bottle from the side view, from this side view, so we can see this bottle like this. So its matching is this will be the side view and this will be the top view for this bottle. Let's see students the second part. The B part is the weights figure. This is the object, and when we see this object from the top view, students, we can see this object like this, because 5 kg, you can see 5 kg is written in this object on the top. So when we see this object from the top view, we can see only 5 kg. And when we see this object from the side view, we can see this object like this. That means like this. This will be the side view for this object and this will be the top view for this object. Let's see the rest part of this question. The next figure is the bottle's figure. When we see this bottle from the side view, it looks like this, and when we see this bottle from the top view, it looks like this. The next figure is the cup plates figure. When we see this figure from the side view, we can see this object like this, and when we see this object from the top view, it looks like this. I hope students now you can complete the question number 1. Let's see the question number 2. For each of the given solid, the three views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top view, front view and side view. Let's see the A part. A part is the Almira's figure. You can see this object. Student, in this figure, the front view, top view and side view is given already in the question. Now you have to see these three parts are given in this question and you have to name them. Name them how? This part. You can see this part is the front view. So we have to note down here front view only. This is the, you can see from here, this is the side view. So we can note here side view. And you can see student, this is the top view. So here we have to note only top view. Let's see the second object. On the top you can see the fish figure is given. So this will be the top view, from where we can open this matchbox. This is the front view. So this object will be the front view, and you can see here the side view is given in this figure. So this will be the side view. I think students now you can solve the rest of the part of this question. Let's see student question number 3. For each given solid, identify the top view, front view and side view. Student, A part is this is the A part figure, and you have to name these figures. Let's see the A part. When we see this solid from the top, we can see these three blocks from the top. When we see this figure from the top, we can see these three blocks. That means this will be the top view. Similarly students, when we see this object from the side, we can see these two blocks only. That means this will be the side view. And when we see this object from the front, we can see these two blocks only. That means this will be the front view. Now let's see the B part, students. In the B part, when we see this object from the top, we can see these four blocks. That means this will be the top view. Similarly, students, when we see this figure from the side, we can see only this block and we can see only this block. That means we can see only two blocks when we see this figure from the side. And when we see this figure from the front, we can see three blocks like this block and these two blocks. That means total three blocks we can see in this solid when we see from front view. That means this will be the front views figure. I hope, students, now you can solve rest of the part of this question. And top view of the given objects. The A part is the military tents figure and the B part is the tables figure. Let's see in this military tent, you can see this is the front view, this is the top view and this is the side view. Similarly, in the table, this is the top view, this is the side view and this is the front view. Let's see the answers of these questions. Students, when we see this military tent from the top, that means from here, we can see this figure. And when we see this military tent from the side, we can see this figure. And when we see this military tent from the front, that means from here, we can see this figure. Similarly, in this table, this will be the front view, this will be the side view and this will be the top view. I hope, students, now you can solve rest of the part of this question. Let's see the exercise number 10.2. Question number 1. Look at the given map of the city. This map is given in the question. Let's see some questions which is given in the question number 1. A part. Color the map as follows, like blue water, red fire station, orange library, yellow schools, green park, pink college, purple hospitals, brown commentary. Let's see, students. The first is blue water. So students, firstly we will use the blue color in the water plant. You can see the water plant is here, so we will color this thing, that means the water plant, from blue. The next is red fire station. Students, you can see fire station, we have to use red color. So fire station is here, so here we have to use red color. Next one is orange library. Students, now we will use the orange color in the library. That means, students, you can see here library is here, so we will use the orange color here in the library. The next one is yellow in the schools. Students, now we will use the yellow color in the schools. So we have to firstly search the schools. You can see primary school is here, so here we will use the yellow color. When we color this map, this figure looks like this figure. Students, try to solve rest of the part of this question, because each and every questions you have to color them, or XYZ only you have to write in the question. Only one question is given in this exercise, so exercise 10.1 and 10.2 is completed now. Thank you.